Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to explain translation. So translation simply means moving or sliding. So let's say I have a sharpener here and I just slide it to a different position. Okay, so that is translation. So when you are translating an image or shape, let's say I have a rectangle and you can see I have 4 points. They're also called vertex, so you can either call them point or vertex. So remember, when you're translating every point of the rectangle or whatever the shape you have, it should be moving in the same distance and also the same direction. So that's all you need to know: same distance, same direction. So let's look at an instruction. Let's say I have given this shape and I have to translate it, and the question says 5 right. This means that your shape will be moving 5 units to the right. So let's do this. So let's give our shape a name. So it's called A, B, C, and D. So now I will have to move A, B, C, D to a new position, given an instruction 5 left. Okay, so A will be moving 5 units to the right. Remember, when you're moving to the right, this is plus X towards plus X. If it says left, you're moving to negative X. Okay, and if it's going up, that is plus Y. And if you're going down, that is negative Y. Okay, all right, so let's move 5 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's your new A. So let's give it a name called A prime. So A becomes A prime. You see the sign here, this is called prime. So 5 units to the right. So B will be also moving 5 units to the right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your new B, that is called B prime. Same for your C and D. So C will be moving 5 units. So this is your new C. D will be moving 5 units, which will be here. So this will be named as D prime. This will be named as C prime. Once you have all the 4 points, just have to connect them, and then you'll see your new translated shape. Okay, so this is a very simple translation. Sometimes you'll have a question. For example, you'll have 2 left and 6 down. All right, so let's see. In this case, you're probably guessing what to do, but let's do this together. So your A will be moving 2 units to the left. So 1, 2, you're here, then 6 down. Remember, when you're going down, that is towards negative Y. So you're here, 2 left, 1, 2, then 6 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's your new A, becomes A prime. Same for B. So 2 left, 1, 2, and 5 down, you're here. So that's your new B prime. Don't be confused if you're on the shape, it doesn't matter. Then what about your C? So C will be 2 left, 6 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're here, and same for D2, and you come here. So that's your C prime, that's your D prime. Once you have them, again you do the same, you connect them. So that's your new translated shape. Okay, this is one type of instruction. Sometimes you'll see a question like X minus 2. Do the following translation. You'll see something like this. So X minus 2 and Y minus 6. So if you see this type of instruction, don't be confused. This also means the same instruction. So 2 left means you are going to the left, that is negative 2, and Y minus 6 simply means you're going down 6 units. Okay, for example, let's try another one. let's say I have a question like x plus 3 and y plus 4 this time. So this means what? This means you are going 3 units to the right because I have plus, so this means 3 right, and plus 4 means 4 up. Okay, so you're going 3 units to the right and then 4 units up. Okay, another type of instruction that you will see is something like saying apply a translation of -2 comma -6. Right, if you see this instruction, this also means the same. So you're going, so first one, remember this value is x and this is y, that means your x value, you're going 2 left and 6 down. Okay, so first value -2 and the second value is -6. So sometimes you'll also see this type of instruction, you know, this also means the same. Another type of instruction that you will see, it will say, okay, so this is your original image, right? So A, B, C, D. Then you'll be given another image, let's say this one, and let's say this is A prime, B prime, and C prime and D prime. So you'll be told to find the coordinates of the translated image and the translation. So what kind of translation you do? So you'll be told to find the coordinates of A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime, and the translation. Okay, so in this case, first of all, you have to find the coordinates. So this is very simple, right? So this one is what? So you can see this is 7, and so make sure you always start from x. That's better. So 7, and this point is, if I go down 1 2 3 4, this is -4. So this one is obviously 7 -4. This one is 10 -4, and your C prime, you can see you're here, so there's 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this one is -10, so this will be 7 and -10, and your D prime is 10 and -10. So that's the coordinates of your A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So now you have to find out what is the translation happen here. So remember, this is your original image, and first thing you have to move to the right. So let's see how many units. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So if you stop here, you'll see this is exactly here, so that is 13 units to the right. So that's 13 right. Now we see that it's going down, so let's see how many units. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So that is 12 down. Okay, so the translation is 13 right and 12 down, or also you can write like x plus 13 and y minus 12. So this is the translation that happened here. Okay, so this is all the type of question that you will see. Okay, another way to find number 4, so once you have found that it is x plus 13 and y minus 12, you can do this with your original image. So for example, your A, B, C, D, I'll just show you one. So what is the coordinates of A? So if you look at the coordinates of A, that is -6, and this is 8. Okay, now remember what kind of translation you're doing. You're doing plus 13 and -12. So what will happen here, your A prime will become -6, and it will do plus 13, and your y is 8. minus 12. Now if you do the calculation, you'll see your a prime is negative 6 plus 13 will give you 7, and 8 minus 12, that will give you negative 4. So now you see that this is exactly 7 and negative 4. Okay, so similarly you can do B, C, D. Okay, that's how you find the answer. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.